So how do you make a picture clear on the iPhone? Let's talk about this. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Okay, so when it comes to getting a clear image when you're taking it through the camera, well, in that case, naturally, the more lighting, the better, and you should click on it to focus on the subject. But if you already have the photo captured, well, you can enable some different things inside of the photo editor, which can be the built-in one or even some third-party options. First of all, you need to make sure that you disable the mode of the display so you get to see the colors the best way, right? So I would recommend to turn off the night shift as well as true tone so you can see the real colors of the photo. But inside of the built-in Photos app, when you go to the full screen of the image, you have the ability to click on edit, and there, of course, more things are available. So you can adjust the exposure, you can bump up the shadows if the shot has been too dark looking, right? You can adjust the contrast, right? It heavily depends on the image, but one of the options which generally make the photo clearer is the definition and sharpness, which are almost toward the end of the options there. One of them is also another one is the noise reduction, but that is if your picture is a bit grainy. So I'd recommend you to play with those options as well to see if those can make your photos clearer too. So let me know what you think about that. Let me know if it worked for you. Thanks a lot for watching and your support, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well. So stay tuned and I'll see you then.